This just in, breaking news. There is a fire on a cruise ship. Man those lifeboats. Evacuate the ship.
Oh no, calm down, calm down. That happened a long time ago. This is a good fire. And we'll get into that right after our intro.
Oh, what a relief. But yes, this is a good fire for sure.
Yes, it's Kyndall Fire.
Kyndall is on fire. So we've been on a lot of cruises. We've never cruised with a female cruise director ever. And I was like, I wonder how a female cruise director is going to be. But
we had heard a lot of good things about her, though.
She blew our socks off. She was fantastic.
She was amazing.
I mean, every cruise director on the Carnival fleet is amazing.
And so much fun.
But Kyndall...
she really wowed us.
Absolutely. So we had a lot of fun with her. We're going to show you a few snippets and clips of... first, we're going to start with Kyndall's introduction of herself. From her Facebook page.
Yeah.
So if you're not a subscriber to Kyndall's Facebook page, I suggest you subscribe to it.
Yes, because it's got a lot of great stuff on there. You'll really get to know her, and hopefully you'll get to cruise with her someday.
Absolutely. And we're looking forward to cruising with her on her new flagship of the Jubilee. So here we go. Kyndall Fire is on fire. A fire on a cruise ship. What better fire can you have?
For real.
Here we go.
Hi everybody, this is Kyndall Fire, and this is my Carnival Journey. Started back in 2016 when I was an internship on the Carnival Freedom back in the day. I was still in college and I had so much fun that summer that after I graduated, I came back full-time as a fun squad to work each and every day towards my goal as cruise director. And although some days were longer than others, it all paid off in 2018 when I was officially promoted and then traveled around our fleet as cruise director, working my way through the ranks until I could finally achieve my ultimate goal, which was to become the inaugural cruise director of a vessel, and that has come true and is going to be setting sail in December on the Carnival Jubilee, and I've got each and every single one of you to thank for it.
It's time to play Love and Marriage. We're married for 50 years. We have got Gail. What the heck is that name? Is that your last name? You give me your government official name. And then you got an M, but your name is Gail. You a conundrum. If you're in Social Security, you need love, you need protection. Just blink twice and I'll stop asking questions. And I am your cruise director, Kyndall Fire. But I cannot do this job without an amazing fun squad who are going to bring the heat with their feet to the beat. They are out and about around the ship. And of course, we also got the best DJ in the 7 seas, DJ you. And we got all of you. Now I see a lot of people that are just like innocent bystanders on the side. They don't feel like there's enough space. So I want everyone to peanut butter and jelly spread out. We got not one, not two, but 3 dance floors tonight. I want y'all up off your butt, dancing to the beat with us. And we're gonna start you guys out with something old school. Y'all want something old school? You guys want something old school? We're gonna teach these kids what TikTok was before TikTok. Alright, everyone take your left hand, stick it straight up in the air. Put that left hand straight up in the air, put it out in front of you, say fire! Fire! Gonna go now, head. Gonna go now, head. Gonna say now, hip. Gonna go now, hip. Gonna go butt, and then you're gonna bring it around. And we're all gonna turn over our left shoulder. Everybody over our left shoulder, we're gonna say, ow. I can't hear you, I said, ow. Y'all know what to do. Let's get this party started. Old school DJ Q, come on. Everybody stretch. Everybody stretch it up. Stretch it down. Bring it around. Here we go. Get ready. Everybody, everybody. Let me just like this now. Everybody, everywhere. Everybody, everywhere. Get up. You're gonna grab the money, pull it in your hip, you're gonna say, sit. I cannot hear you. I'm not here to talk to myself. Sit! Sit! Very good. Put your right hand down. Grab that money. Say, buy, sit!
Buy, set.
Buy, sit!
Buy, set.
Buy, sit!
Buy, set.
Y'all doing good over there? Y'all making money? Y'all making money over there? Okay, good, okay, good. And then you're gonna make some real money, all right? You're gonna push your hands out when you say 10 cents.
10 cents.
If you're feeling real ambitious, just give me a little jiggle. Remember, there's kids. And then all together, we gonna grab those sticks and we gonna pull it in loud and proud and say, "Da! Da! Da! This one is called Chase the Mic. Y'all say microphone. Microphone. You are only gonna sing when the microphone is pointed at your team. If it's at the other team, you don't say a word. If it's at your team, you sing loud and proud. If you don't know the words, get strong and wrong. Who cares? Which side? One now round. Was it rock, pop, rock, pop, rock, 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 She was simply the best.
Wow, what a great time with Kyndall. This was part 1, and we've got part 2 coming up, and you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, so please, if you're not logged into your YouTube account, it's very simple. You use your Gmail account, log into your YouTube account, subscribe to us, click that notification bell, and then you'll know as soon as we post that next video of Kyndall Fire. It's going to be a lot of fun to watch.
It was tons of fun. You're definitely not going to want to miss
From
it.
beginning to end.
Yeah.
Jam-packed.
Yes.
Jam-packed Kyndall Fire. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Be safe. Happy cruising.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I say bye. Okay, bye.